Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to use Camscanner. So first go to Camscanner apps and then you have to click this start scanning. Yeah, you have to allow it. Okay, you can use the demo or you can see this demo. First, let's say this is page 1, so you go to batch, select batch and snap this first page. So this is for first page, so this is second page. Okay, second page, and this is third, third page. So when you're done, you go to this image. Okay, then you can crop it. You can crop it into centralize it. After that, and after you're done, so click right button. Okay, so you're done. So click share and go to PDF. Okay, after that click share, and then you have to click save to files. It will go to your iCloud or on my iPhone. So after that, if you're using Android, you can you can download it or you can save it into your local storage, and then you can get that PDF in the storage and you transfer to uh, laptop or PC. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you.